Downloading data from Apple Pay can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your finances. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is where all your Apple Pay transactions are stored and managed. Step 2. Access transaction history. Tap on the card you want to view. Once selected, scroll down to find your transaction history. This section will display all your recent purchases made with Apple Pay. Step 3. Select the transaction. Choose the specific transaction you want to download. Tapping on it will provide more details about the purchase, including the date, amount, and merchant information. Step 4. Share or export the data. Look for the share icon or export option within the transaction details. You can choose to share the information via email, save it to a note, or export it to a compatible app. Step 5. Save the data. Follow the prompts to save the transaction data in your preferred format. Ensure that you store it in a location that is easily accessible for future reference. By following these steps, you can efficiently download and manage your Apple Pay transaction data.